eBay Master 2020 is the top of the line eBay selling platform. This is a workshop that will be created by January of 2020. Right now, it is in a working progress, and at the moment, this right here is the demo. This right here will get you started to make money on eBay. This will get your feet wet and everything else. If you have a product, this will take you step by step on how to get in contact with other people to sell your product. If you have a mailing list, this will show you how to get in contact with people to sell their product. This is a starting point to pretty much just get you started to getting your feet wet. There is going to be other chapters and everything else that will be involved in here, just like drop shipping and continuous ways of how to make money with eBay and become a eBay master seller. I really hope that you enjoy this, and if you're interested in getting on board at the working progress of this, right now it's being sold at half price for $9.95, and you will have access to the working program that will be created by January. You can visit it daily, and there will be new things added to it. We are creating this because we have made money like this, and I would like to help you make money as well. I really hope that y'all enjoy this and take advantage of this price before it goes up.